Infectious disease pandemics are notoriously complex to track, as was evident with the spread of COVID-19 and its multiple waves. It meant traditional methods could not be used. Dr. Mohammed Alkhamis, an epidemiologist with expertise in biostatistics and an assistant professor at the Faculty of Public Health at Kuwait University, spearheaded the development of an early warning disease surveillance system prototype that could monitor the spread of disease to analyze data and establish an adequate response. With funding and support from the Kuwait Foundation for the Advancement of Sciences, Alkhamis worked with big data analyst Dr. Mohammed Khaja from the Kuwait Institute for Scientific Research, surgeon and professor Dr. Salman As-Sabah, who approached Alkhamis with this project, research associates from Jabir Al-Ahmed As-Sabah Hospital, and some enthusiastic doctors from the Ministry of Health. The project had 3 phases: near real-time surveillance of COVID-19 cases, data processing, and the development of the early warning system prototype. The analytical method, which is used in infectious disease surveillance, was borrowed from multidisciplinary sciences like ecology, mathematics, computer science, and data science. When a certain number of disease parameters is hit, an alarm is triggered, warning a decision maker that they need to look deeper into the data. The team was able to analyze the data to detect spatio-temporal clusters where there was an increase in disease spread. By providing the Ministry of Health with weekly 1-page reports, the decision-makers were able to implement preventative lockdowns in certain areas to minimize the spread of the virus. One of the most important components was establishing genetic sequencing surveillance. Genetic material holds a lot of information, and with the genetic material of the virus, they can project how much the virus or its mutation will spread, track its origin, and monitor the spatial route between countries to help inform decision-makers on how to regulate travel. This was a prototype, and, in the future, the team hopes to build an infrastructure for an early warning system for Kuwait that is sustainable and can be used if another pandemic comes along.